Firstly, unfold and lay out the membrane, ensuring that there is a minimum 100 mm overlap for joining to further rubber membranes. Also, ensure that the membrane will cover all of the perimeter areas that require waterproofing. Once in position, fold back one half of the membrane and mix the glue to begin rolling the water-based adhesive onto the deck filled area. Leave approximately 100 mm at the perimeters and upstands where contact adhesive will be applied. Without letting it dry, push the rubber evenly into the water-based adhesive, leading with the middle where possible. Next, apply contact adhesive to the upstand edges on both the rubber and the substrate. It's good practice with spray contact adhesives to spray in opposite directions to achieve a better bond. Wait approximately 5 minutes for the contact adhesive to flash off, checking the adhesive to ensure it's not wet or stringy. Roll the membrane into the change of angle, pinching along the base to create a good bond, and then push the membrane up the face of the upstand, using the palm to promote the adhesion. Use the penny roller to complete the bond into the change of angle. Use a clean roller to work the membrane into the adhesive at the same time, ensuring that any air trapped under the membrane is pushed out to the edges. Pull back the other half of the membrane until you reach the adhesive from the previous application. It is best to pull the membrane back as far as you can to ensure a complete coverage of adhesive is achieved. Again, apply the water-based adhesive sparingly to the roof deck area and then use the roller to create an even coat of adhesive over the deck area, remembering to leave approximately 100 mm at each perimeter edge and around any detail areas or upstands. Apply contact adhesive to the upstand areas in readiness, allowing time for this to tack off. Push the rubber into the water-based adhesive until you reach the contact adhesive. Remember to apply contact adhesive to the underside of the rubber and allow this to flash off. Once it's flashed off, push the membrane into the upstand, pinching into the change of angle. Then use the penny roller to promote this bond into the base of the upstand. Using a template, mark the rubber at 45 degrees to the upstand on each corner. Then cut the rubber so that this will work around each of the external corners. Apply additional adhesive as required, using an offcut to protect the roof surface where the rubber has been cut. Once the contact adhesive has flashed off, push the membrane up the upstand, bonding to the top of the upstand if required. Then move the membrane around the external corner into both the water-based and contact adhesive, remembering to pinch the membrane into the change of angle at the upstand and use the penny roller as required. Repeat this process on the other side. Then, using a clean roller to work the membrane into the adhesive, at the same time ensuring that any air trapped under the membrane is pushed out to the edges.